Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some simple math expression that people fail to solve it. They do silly errors and forget the rule how to solve it and reach at wrong answer. But in this video, I clear all your doubts and you will always reach at right answer when you watch the full video. So don't forget and don't leave in between. So let's start with today's video solution. So our first expression is 9 divided by 3 bracket 9 divided by 3. So how people solve it? They write 9 divided by 3 and then 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 divided by 9 is 1. Their answer is 1, which is incorrect because they did not follow the right approach, which is order of operation, also called as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. In PEMDAS rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, multiplication, division, both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Then addition, subtraction have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Now rewrite the expression and solve it with the help of order of operation PEMDAS rule. So first solve the exponent. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now rewrite the left out terms. 9 divided by 3 times 3. So now we have two operations left, that is division and multiplication. And we know that both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So from left, it's 9 divided by 3 times 3, which is equals to 3 times 3, 9. So what is the correct answer? 9, not 1. I hope it's clear and you learn it how to apply this rule, and when you applied it, you would always reach that right answer. So now let's learn the new expression. So in this expression, we have given same operation multiple times. 8 divided 8 divided 8 divided 8. So what people do, 8 divided 8, 1 divided 8 divided 8, 1 and 1 divided by 1, which is the wrong answer. What you have to do, you have to follow KCF rule. When you have given division sign in between two numbers, what it said, keep, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So let's solve this with the help of this rule. So rewrite the expression 8 divided 8 divided 8 divided 8. So take two terms at a time. 8 divided 8, we will write it like this. Then divided 8, then divided 8. 8 divided 8 is 1, divided 8, divided 8. 1 divided 8 is 1 by 8, divided 8. Now apply this KCF rule. What it said, keep, that means keep the left hand. C, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So it's 8 is 1 by 8. So it becomes 1 by 64. So what is the right answer? 1 by 64, not 1. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. So let's start with next question. Do not leave the video in between. If you leave it, you will miss out something. Our next expression is 5 minus 10 bracket 5 minus 10. If you know the answer, pause the video here and comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because on this channel you will find out new video every day that is free, and you will learn logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math on this channel. So here 5 minus 10 bracket 5 minus 10, people solve it like 5. This becomes minus 5 times minus 5 and they reach as 25. What do you think? This is correct or incorrect? Incorrect, right? Because they did not follow the right approach, that is PEMDAS rule, which is also known as order of operation. Comment down below in your country what you called it. Here P stands for parenthesis if given. Yes, this given the bracket. First you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division, both have same priority. Just solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority. Just solve it from left to right. So rewrite the expression and check the answer is 25 or anything else. So first, the parenthesis 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Rewrite the left out terms 5 minus 10 times minus 5. Now we have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. We know that as per PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to multiplication. So multiplication sign is between minus 10 and minus 5. When we multiply it, we get plus 50. and 5 plus 50 is 55. So what is the correct answer? 55, not 25. I hope it's clear and you learned something new and how to apply this rule. When you apply that rule, when you apply the right step, you will always see that right answer. So now comes to the next expression. So our next expression is 20 divided 1 by 4 times 4. So what people do, they cancel out the 4 with 4 and 20 divided by 1 is 20. What do you think? This is correct or incorrect? Yes, incorrect. So pause the video here, write down the correct answer in the comment box and I will pin the first comment which is right. So now let's follow the right approach. What is it is when division sign and multiplication is given, you have to follow the KCF rule. That is keep, change, and F stands for flip. So it is two different questions. If the expression is given like 20 multiply 1 by 4 times 4, you can cancel out. Then the answer is 20. But what it is given? 20 divided 1 by 4 times 4. These are two different questions. What you have to do here in this part, you have to apply KCF rule. Keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. And now write the left terms, that is multiply 4. So what is left? 20 times 4 times 4 which is equals to 80 times 4, 320. So what is the correct answer? 320, not 20. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. You learn how to apply this. If you apply this and learn it, you will always reach at right answer. So now you are ready for the next expression. So our next expression is 30 minus 10 bracket 30 minus 10. If you find it useful, if you're enjoying it, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. In this channel, you will always find new videos on logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. If you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment on your question. I will try to solve it and make a separate video on that as soon as possible. So now let's come to this question. If you found the answer, pause the video here and comment down below and watch my solution in this video. So 30 minus 10, 20, 30 minus 10, 20 and 20 times 20, 400. People solve it like this. What do you think? This is correct or incorrect? Incorrect, right. Because we have to follow PEDMAS rule or PEMDAS rule. So first rewrite the expression 30 minus 10 bracket 30 minus 10. So 30 minus 10. So first we have to solve the parenthesis, that is 30 minus 10 which is equals to 20. Now before writing 10, just write the left out terms, that is 30 minus 10 times 20. 30 minus 10 times 20. Now we have two operations left, that is subtraction and multiplication. So as per PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to multiplication. 10 times 20 is 200. 30 minus 200 is minus 170. So what is the correct answer? Minus 170, not 400. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And your homework question for today is 20 minus 5 bracket 20 minus 5. So what is the correct answer? Comment down below. I will pin the first comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.